All right, this is just a quick overview of a handful of apps created using Vibes DIY within the last week. This one is, wow, it's taking everything from Hacker News and making them into easily searchable posts with keywords and discussion overviews. And it looks like little TLDRs of all of the comment threads. That's awesome. This is, oh my gosh, is it? Yeah, it is a catalog of every Grateful Dead show that the Internet Archive has. Oh, these are the ones based in New York. Well, let's see if it plays. And it does. So I guess you could search by, the Jerry era shows, whatever else, I wonder, whatever venue, date, and location. So for all you deadheads out there, you thought the tapes were going to do it for you, but no, you now have it online. And Hyper Extreme Color Reality Blender. This one hurts my eyes. It is... All right, so you're making filters basically as if Instagram were yours. And you, cool, could make any preset reality distortion controls. Oh my gosh. The settings here. Oh, I don't like it. Let's see. Very cool. I wonder, what does that do? Start color trip. So just kind of cycling through all of the different settings there. Bleh. Okay, it's too much. Okay, next. Okay, they told me about this one. So that is so cool. So I don't know if you heard, but OpenAI just announced the release of an API so that you can generate images basically anywhere. And these are all AI generated images for these little cards here. It's a totally radical BMX Legends tracker. Gnarly. And you can click into any of these, read a little bit about the rider. Man, I don't know if you know this about the Vibes DIY crew, but we've got a lot of cyclists. And one of our lead engineers was a world-renowned BMXer. So I guess I'll have to see if one of these cards is actually their name. All right, that's it. That is just a handful of apps made using Vibe DIY within the last week.